Gaşky görnüşleri boýunça sport toplumundaky Araşyň konsertem tamam boldy. Anhada biz bolsa halkara howa menziline Araşa ak ýol arzu etmäge özümiziň dörejelik toparmaz bolan Turkmenportal bilen bilelikde geldik. Gelin onda Araşyň soňky arzuwlaryna, ýürek buýsançlaryna tomaşa edelim.
Salam Turkmenistan!
Hello Arash, you are welcome in our country. We are from the website Turkmenportal. Can you tell us how do you feel after your concerts here?
Now it's 4 in the morning. I'm tired. I want to sleep. I'm flying back to Dubai now, but it was amazing. Good energy, so much love, and I really enjoyed it here to be in Turkmenistan, and I hope that I can come back here.
And thanks for you. Good luck.
Thank you.
Okay.